boys decided they don't know what a weekend is. Trying to stay quiet, you don't want to wake them. One of them's awake already. Yeah, he was out like 7:30 last night. That was awesome. One second. You know who else was out last night? Sonia. Yep. She got a call from her niece that said they needed someone to supervise them at cadet camp for the evening at the school. So she did. She stepped up for the call of duty. Last I checked in, she was walking the grounds around like 9 o'clock. I was like, good luck. You're a saint. Saint Sonia strikes again. So we're going to go back and pick her up in a little bit. Try and enjoy the last bit of our peace and quiet. We can do this. Happy weekend. Yeah, that's your bread, dude. With peanut butter. Yeah, you gotta mention that at our house. He was like, can I get a bread? And I was like, sure. And I gave him a piece of bread.
Yeah.
And what happened to your bread?
Feed the chicken them too.
Oh, we haven't fed the chickens yet. But yeah, he was like, where's my peanut butter? And I was like, you never asked for peanut butter.
I eat peanut butter.
You didn't ask for peanut butter. You asked for bread. Dave, everyone, you can let them roam, dude. They're dogs. Anyway, you're ruining my shot, dude. Yeah. So while he's bread eating all morning, at least for now, yeah, we stopped by the attorney's office yesterday, the lawyers, and we are on track to. Hi.
A puppy.
I know. Dave and the puppies are romping over there and they're ruining my story. Can I finish my story?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Anyway, 1 second. Okay, we're back to the story. So yeah, I went to the attorneys yesterday, and $5,000 for a consultation, and we have been consulted, or we consulted with them. But good news is we got all the documents in place. You keep an eye on them. I'm telling the story to the guys, okay? And they're gonna send off. Their attorney talked to our attorney, talked to their attorney, and then yeah, we're gonna get the papers rolling Monday. The letter's getting sent out. Yeah. You smell like peanut butter, dude.
Peanut butter.
Yeah, it smells like peanut butter.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's good. What else? What else? I haven't heard from Sonia this morning. I'm assuming she's okay. Service is a little spotty out there in Richmond, but yeah, we'll find out. We're gonna go feed the chickens. You got any other stories to tell them?
Yeah.
You got a story?
Feed the chicken.
That's your story?
Yes.
How was school this week?
Happy hour.
Happy hour? Yeah, don't get confused. No, happy hour is the name of the school. I know. That's like the best name for a school ever. I miss happy hour sometimes.
Over.
It's over?
Yes.
Until Monday? Okay. All right. Let's go feed some chickens.
Egg.
How many eggs?
One egg.
Count the eggs, dude. Wait, careful.
1, 2,
Good job. How many? Show me 2 on your hand. How many fingers?
3,
That's 1. Show me 1 more. So, how many eggs are there?
3,
How many?
12, and
How many eggs are there?
12.
5? Look at the eggs. Count the eggs.
1,
Uh-huh. So, show me 2 on your fingers. Show me 2 fingers. That's... We'll keep working on it. All right. 2 eggs it is.
No.
Sweet.
In next dog.
Let's go.
What would you then do?
Those are the dogs, dude. Doing, man?
Cleaning.
You're cleaning, yeah. What are you cleaning? Oh, did you make the bed?
My bed.
You made the bed?
Yeah. Milk.
Yeah, what's Junior doing?
Cleaning.
Junior sweeping?
In the cotton.
That's true. What are the puppies doing? A whole lot of nothing, man. A whole lot of nothing.
Come on, go see.
Is it time to take a nap?
No.
Yes. Yes, you look tired. You look tired. Let's take a nap. Nap time. No? You sure?
I do that for me.
Junior should take a nap? He can't. He's cleaning. Maybe in a little bit. Wonder where Nana is.
They got a party.
Nana went to a party.
Yeah.
Really? Is she coming home today?
Yes.
I hope so, because she's partying without us. Uh-huh. You good? You good?
Wow.
Wow. No, your nose is bigger.
It's
I think yours is bigger.
No.
It looks. Look, it's bigger. Look at how big. Look at that big nose. Definitely bigger.
It look a bit.
A little bit nose. I don't know. Maybe Junior's nose is bigger. My nose is bigger. Tried. Anyway, true story. Was at 2D's restaurant in Highgate yesterday with Sonia, having lunch as we do. Chicken wraps. Fantastic. I was talking to the owner, Fitzroy, and, trying to pick his brain a little bit. Morning. About what it's like to be a small business owner. And I've set up, hopefully, an exclusive interview for Thursday to talk about the trials and tribulations of small business owning here in rural Jamaica. So, gonna get my list of questions together to prepare. And yeah, he said Thursday morning, 9 a.m. regular time, not Jamaican time. And we're gonna have a little sit down and discuss the ins and outs and nuances of what it's like to run a small business in Jamaica. So, looking forward to that. So stay tuned for Thursday's episode. Now you know. And there's a rooster. Good morning, sir. What's up?
Good night.
Why is it good night? I thought it was morning. You want to tell them the story? They don't know the story. They don't know what happened. You gonna tell them? You're gonna tell them, or I'm gonna tell them? Your story, your version's probably a lot better than mine.
Why Andre as well? Because we did a ramp with a friend, and then we went in the big house, and Andre got lick up in a one board where was the pan? No. Yeah. Maybe go in the aunties. No. You did lick up. You did lick up. No. Was no, I mean lick up. You know when the body goes a pow. No. Alright. So alright, you did the near was next. Yeah, I'm walk in there. And then he was get up and bite under 3 places in his back, in his face, and funny and Apa yang tua Junior. Apa yang tua wet same betting. Ayaso. Where? I want the but new peso, but the one they call. The but new peso, but the one they call. Sister, serious. Only by new peso and the con. The white bomb.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Socks are a little big, but they're gonna. I guess it'll work. Andre, what are we doing today? Another yoga session. Mahrez is ready. Andre's ready. Okay, find your mats. Here we go. Andre, you know what time it is?
Yeah, press this.
It's time for.
Time
It's about to get real.
Hi, welcome.
What? Yeah, Sonia said 9 o'clock yesterday, and then 10:25 is now the time, and she says she's ready. So we're gonna go find her. Supposedly, Dave wants us to find a river too, by where Sonia's getting picked up. You know where your brain tells you this is not a good idea, but your heart says, give it a shot. Should we go look for the river?
Yes.
Well, you heard the man. We're gonna figure this out. Well, something tells me if we look back, later today, And something tells you it was a bad idea to think that Dave knows what he's talking about when it says let's go to a river. We're gonna remember this moment together, because why not? It's a little adventure today. We got life jackets, we've got kids. We're gonna go pick up Sonia, and then we're gonna go Nya. See what I did there? Man, part of me says I just want to keep on rolling. But I guess we'll let them in and see what happens.
You
just did?
You can't shift?
Huh?
Like you can't shift?
No, but I figured out what that B is for.
What?
Boost.
No, it's not boost.
How about?
The B is actually for brake. Like, it basically like downshifts your car so that if you're going like downhill and you need to slow down rather than just... Oh, I'm explaining the B!
That Mr. Kev put
Yo.
in a too.
Mahrez, get your belt on. It'll slow down the car without having to just rely solely on brakes. The engine will help to use to slow down the car.
You put it in there before?
No, I haven't, but I did the research to find out what it was for, and now we know.
And then one time them match, and then when you reach up your son, then stop up your son, and then
Where's it at? I'm gonna
yeah, one frog in one bag, and then call it frog. You have to know then call it frog.
So you just go down, the river's down there?
Yes, that's where they are.
Oh, Dave, sorry, bud.
That you can walk down the sun, go up on the main road too.
Dave, what are we gonna do? They're all about their life jackets. He was like, we're going to the river, guys.
Then can't go down there.
Well, is there a place further up, according to Dave, we could go?
No. Yeah, me think so. You remember I want to young kind of go?
Apparently, the river's a bust, Dave. What are we gonna do?
Yeah, he wanted down to know.
Anyway, good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, it's not
We'll figure it out.
Good morning.
Okay. So, slight change of plans. We're gonna go to the, I would call it the Rio Neuvo River. Sonia calls it the...
What?
We call it the what? No, she says Renova.
Renova.
It's the Rio Nuevo. In Spanish, anybody? Rio Nuevo?
Rio Neuvo.
Yeah, but I don't know how you guys pronounce it, but it's actually a Spanish word. It's Rio Nuevo.
Awolpa River.
Nobody knows what Rio Nuevo is in Spanish?
No.
Oh boy. Rio Nuevo. New River. Oh boy.
Where the?
I don't know. I thought you guys knew.
Yeah, go straight.
Where's the horse?
See the over by.
Okay, well, hopefully we find it.
captain them.
What?
The frog.
There was a frog.
Yes, there was a frog that they called Captain Obvious.
Uh-huh.
I call him Captain Obvious. They say Captain. Captain what? Captain Frog.
And then what
I
happened?
said, Captain Obvious. Then they said, if you don't obey, the frog and will talk. I'm like,
The frog or what?
the frog and then we talk.
Oh. Okay.
And then take up the frog. And then all listen and them all laugh because then group them out. Then line them up and then group them and say they need to when they count anybody from 1 to 3, so then start 1, 2, Mahrez stop. Then start 1, 2, 3, and then they stop at 3 and then go 1, 2, 3 again and then they stop and then go 1, 2, 3 again.
Right.
So when then they say number 1, come out. And then when they call number 1 out, when that guy stand up, the guy go and dry his and say, you know, you don't know your number. You need to start from 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. Then I must see your number 1, 2. Oh, you know, come out. And then say, you want me go pee frog? And then go pee frog. And carry. He wants the TTR run up and down.
This is really?
Get that thing away from me. Get
Okay.
that thing.
That's Sonia's cadet story.
Yeah, then they say flat-out. I'm like, what the heck is flat-out?
I don't know.
So you have to lay down flat. You have to lay down flat like this. You have to lay down
Demonstration.
flat. Yes,
Okay.
you have to lay down flat, flat.
Oh.
And then your chin down like this. Flat out.
On the ground.
Yes, on the ground. And the part where they tell you to lay down, and they say you have to lay down flat out. I'm like, and I'm going to stay there for like probably 5 minutes.
Okay.
Good luck to you, man.
This concludes Sonia's cadet story.
Yes, I went to cadet camp. It was fun. Not fun for me because I never seen it.
Mahrez, you good? According to cadet legend, Sonia didn't get to sleep till like 3:30. Andre! Okay. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Ready? Today. Today. Right now. All right. All right, the life jackets from the DR coming in handy. Mahrez, you good? Oi, oi. Okay. You good? Okay. Oh, I will show you. I'm gonna catch the boys doing their thing real quick. Or not. Oh no! Oh no! You got it! You got a leaf. What'd you kind? Did you find anything good? No? Okay. Oh. Andre's going for it. You got it? You good? Don't fall asleep now. not gonna lie. Place is getting built up. Rio Neuvo River, or the Rio, what do you call it?
What are you doing?
What do you call it? Renova. Renova for the local. Rio Nuevo, just up the road. Price is Right. Rio Nuevo.
What does take you from the people?
She's having picking problems.
Huh?
Nothing.
Yes, the farmers are dropping these dogs.
Oh, yeah, do that. I did say
What'd you get, Andre? What'd you find? Oh no, you lost it. What is it? Really? Oh my gosh, what is it? It's a rock. That's where did you find that?
I think it's mine.
Dave found the rock?
Yeah.
Where? There's hardly like any rocks around here. So Dave said, here's a rock, go show Tyler. Nice. Man, a rock? You found a rock too. Where did you find the rock? There's like hardly any rocks around here, dude. How did you find one? Junior, don't lose it. Don't lose it. Oh no, is it gone? All right, you save it for later, okay? We'll see if we can come back and find it. I'm happy for you, Junior. You found a rock. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall name him. What should we name it? What do we name it, Junior? We should call this one Dumpling. All right, there's your Dumpling rock here. That's Dumpling. You hang on to him, okay? We'll put some googly eyes on him, and he'll be our pet friend forever. Don't lose him. Okay, there it is. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? There he is. All right, Dumpling. Enjoy your dumpling. Don't lose it. Don't lose it. Okay. The guy that invented pet rocks, he... Genius. Pet rocks. We're in the wrong business. Whee! Going down after you release the parking brake. Ooh, I'm okay. All right, we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. All right, thank you. Right side.
On the front.
Yeah.
Heading to OG Coolest gas station and Panda and
You go past it though.
Right hand. So when you head out the main, you just take time drive, go down and look where you see the plaza.
Plaza.
Always park up over there. Good food over there.
Okay.
All right.
All over. Very nice food.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, Mario, she's way too old for you.
She's nice, so she showed me a place of over you, so she.
And she gave you water for your feet because somebody didn't rinse off their feet when they had the chance.
Because somebody told me said probably the pipe is for the bar.
Why? Now you're making up stories. What are you talking about?
You tell me so.
What?
When me I go down, me see pipe and me say Tyler, I don't think say if box off with your foot or something.
I didn't even say anything about no pipe. I don't know what
Yes, I did say about the pipe and you said probably up in the bar.
I don't know what pipe you're talking about.
The one where down there where then go rinse off if you want the pipe right down there and turn on.
The pipe you're smoking at this point, because I have no idea what you're referring to.
$100 for use bathroom.
That's if the guy shows up with the key.
The door open.
That works. All right, we're gonna find something to eat. All right, that was fast.
Good food.
Let's go find some food. The food station. I'm reading the sign. Sonia's hungry. We better get going.
Yeah,
So we are going to give you a review of the river. So I would give the river 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
The river is clean. The water is good. And
The reason why I give the water 10 out of 10 is because the water is clear and I like the current of the water and how I did dive. Why I give the river 10 out of 10 because the water is clear blue and the wave is strong and you can do backflip and flick in the.
The reason why I give the river 10 out of 10 because the water was clean and I could choke off on the stone and I liked it. I give the food place a 10 out of 10 because I like the rice and the fried chicken and I love it. Stay tuned, and that was Andre Jam.
How many out of 10 is the river?
It's cool.
Yeah. How many out of 10?
10.
5? All right. What about the food?
Good.
Oh, okay. Let's go home. Okay. All right, if you're ever in the neighborhood of the Rio Neuvo River, this is the food station. Curry chicken and rice and peas was fantastic.
no,
Fried chicken.
fried chicken.
The fried chicken was fantastic.
Yeah.
How many out of 10?
10.
10. And Mahrez is still drowning his sorrows. Mario. Oh, Mario. Maybe next weekend we'll go back. Who knows? But right now we're going home.
No man.
That's great.
Me and Max going to check the chicken feed and check the eggs, and yeah, so we are going to check the chicken feed. So the chicken needs some feeder, so we are going to give them some feeder. Stay tuned for that.
Give them love.
We're done with the feeding, so we are going to check the eggs right now. Stay tuned. How much egg? Two. How much egg this? 5? A 3 egg? We are done with the chicken. Yes, so we just collect it and feed the chicken so they're in good feed, you know.
What did you say?
Listen, I'll buy ice cream.
Okay. So you're gonna use your own money to buy ice cream?
Yeah.
Andre, right? Willing to sacrifice his own for ice cream. You win some, you lose some. Andre's gonna win some ice cream. Thanks, win some.
Only chocolate and on the road.
Sonia. Hey, Mario. Tell Junior that 2 grape nuts and we get now 1 million to Kyla. 2 grape nuts. 2 grape nuts.
What'd you get, man? What is it?
Me get
Hey, get
5
here.
and 200.
How much is 5 and 2?
Mahrez.
5,
Mahrez. Come.
500
Plus 200.
plus 200. 300.
5. What's 5 plus 2, Andre?
7.
So you have 700. You started with 1,000. You paid 300 for ice cream, and now you have 700 left. Where are you gonna put that?
Me bang.
Sounds like a good plan. Cool.
Me today, and nobody can say them buy ice cream for me. But I buy more ice cream with my own money.
That's true. And put your change back in your savings.
And put this in.
Cool. You get some more ice cream next week?
Huh?
You're gonna get some more ice cream next week?
Mama, then I take that one.
Oh, okay. You're gonna save it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready? Wait. Good. Why is it? Good.
Me the good.
They gotta sit. You gotta put half in Emma's bowl. Emma's bowl is the red one. No, the red one goes first. You can do it, dear. You're doing great. Yeah, put half in it, and then she can't get it until it touches the ground. Good job.
Sit back.
If it's half, you're supposed to split them evenly.
Thank you, puppies.
Good job, dear. I knew you could do it.
Yeah, I know what you can do it.
Yeah, it's a first for everything, huh?
No, I'm feed dog all the time.
This is the one with the bad jokes around here. Oi, eat your ice cream. It's good? Yo, Mahrez, sit. Yo, sit down and eat, man. All right, how do you do it?
Right here.
Come on, man. Push in the top.
No.
Push in the top, dude.
No. I only want two.
I only have one. I don't think you're strong enough yet. Come on, man. All right, let me try. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. This one's a tough one.
You're tough, yeah.
If I got it. Come on.
No, what if?
Right, we got it.
Me not see. Me not see paper.
Yeah, okay.
Me not see paper.
Yeah. Cool.
We play one challenge where you have to eat one hot noodle. If you play, hot noodles. And if you beat the two-person them, if two-person them will lose, they have to eat the noodle. I say, one time them bought me. I said, me take up one full scooping out and go so. I said, burn up my mouth. I'm going to eat it and drink like 3 cups of water.
Okay. Andre, it's time to tell him good night, dude.
A good night. When I ask to go fishing.
Sure, one game.
Yeah, one game.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.